So guys, let's play this game, Granny. Sa itong basic na laro na pang bata. Ito ay basic lang. Walang makakatalo sa atin guys. Kaya let's go. So day, maglalaro ako ng Granny day. Sayo. Lag! Stuck na guys. Ano ito? Babalaghan ko boy. Bagal. Bagal na guys.
Kuya, play me.
So, maabli na ang takuan ng pintuan guys. Na-close naman. So, mag-English anay ko. So, there's a spider. Spider that's color red. Just be careful. It's gonna attack us. We need some meat. So, the spider will stuck in the ground. What? Oh!
Kuya, dili ka patay.
Saba si Inday. So, here, I need to open this. Open mo yan. Op. Kulangan ng notebook. Notebook. Notebook.
Notebook?
Yes. Kuha lang tayo ng notebook. Hanap-hanap lang. Yun. Notebook. Notebook dahil. So, lalagay natin dun sa nanay. Yung nanay nakahiga, nakataas. Yan, tingnan nyo. Mag-slide yan. Yun na, labas nanay. Mahina ka lamang. So, let's go down and find some materials to open any doors. Let's go here. Ay! So, guys, nabuhay na ko guys. Let's go again. Let's find some. Woo! Buhay si nanay. Spider. Go down. Find the special door. Nanay yun guys, yun o. Ito dito. Ito. Low lang man. Yes naman.
Big banana kid.
Ito. Hello, wala. How? Ito, shortcut. Shortcut pang mahinaan.
Me?
Hindi, nakakatakot boy. Pero nanay. Nanay. Nanay po kita nanay. Wow, bro. Grabe si nanay. Nakakagulat guys. Bunda naman tayo sa baba. Eh. Wala. Hindi na rin. Pupunta na ako sa baba. So, I will go to Nanay again. I go to Lola. Lola. Will open the circle thing in the round. So let's go. Oh, this is Nanay again. Hey, alam ko na yan, Nay. Alam ko na yan. Alam ko na yan, Nay. Alam ko na dito, Nay. Alam ko na dyan, Nay. Nakakagulit. Sinanay ko. Nakakatas ko dyan. Prank. So, ano? Meron, guys. Wala na. Asan na yung nanay? Grabe. Uy, na meron. So, post ko muna para mapilipot. Bye-bye guys. Ang day ay weather lang. So, this is the day. The day is weather only. Okay? Paalam mga kababayan. Thank you. Goodbye everybody. Next video. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.